Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we have started few days back chapter number 2, that is addition. And we have already done simple addition, addition with carryovers, and yesterday or 2 days back we have started properties of addition and we have completed properties of addition. Today we are going to start in the same chapter, expanded form. Okay children, so first of all we should write the date and our chapter name. So let's start children. Today is 17 June 2021. Okay, and we are studying chapter number 2, that is addition. Okay, now today's topic, addition using expanded form. Okay, now the topic is addition using expanded form children. Okay, so this is our topic today. Children, first of all, I would like to tell you place value. I'm just going to remind you what is place value. Place value, as we have studied, that the first unit of any number is called ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds, and this is thousand, and so on. Okay, now if we are writing 5342, so here you can see 5000. Why we are telling this 5000? Because this is under the thousandth place, so that is why we are इसको कहते हैं 5000. Now this is ones because 2 ones, 4 tens, 3 hundreds and 5000. So here you can see 5342. As you all know children, this is very easy for you, that you all know place value. Now on the basis of this we are going to expand the number. Okay, so we will learn to expand the numbers and then we will learn to add. What is our topic? Addition using expanded form. Okay, now here first of all, if it is written 534, how can we expand? First of all, what is in ones place? That is 4. What is in tens place? That is 3. Now what is in third place or 100 place? That is 5. So here ones, tens and 100. So naturally it will become 500 because this is coming at the hundreds place. That is why it stands at the 100 place. That is why we are, because there is 2 number after that. 2 number after that. So that is why we will add 20. Okay. When we are expanding the number, so we will write 20 because after 5 you can see 2 numbers are there, 3 and 4. Okay. So that is why we will write 500. Okay. Now just move to the second number. What is written over here? 3. And what is behind this? That is 4. It means this is ones and this is tens. Okay. Now 3 is coming at the tens place. Here you can see after that only one number is there. That is why we will write 3, because one number is there. That is why we will write 0, 10. And after that what is left? That is 4. 4 is at ones column, or you can say after that no number is there. So this is ones. We will write only 4. Okay, we are not going to add any 0 because no number is behind this, and this is ones place, that is why we will write 4. Okay, so this is called your expanded form. Okay children, now we will take new, or you can say 7, 8, 6. Okay, how can we write this number in expanded form? First of all, this is ones, tens and 100. Okay children, so now here you can see 786. Now here you can see children, after 7 you are getting 2 numbers. So that is why this is at 100 place. That is why we will write 700, because 2 numbers are after that. So we are writing over here 2 zeros. Okay, and after that you can see 8. 8, after that how many numbers are there? 1. Okay, 6. So that is why we will write over here 80. 1 0 will be added because after that only one number is there. That is why we are adding over here 1 0. And after that what is there? 6. Now if the question arises, or if the question is there, so add these two sums. Add these two numbers. How can we get sums? So here you can see, if we are adding these both expanded form of these numbers, so how can we add? First of all, we will start from the ones place. So 6 and 4 is 10. Now here you can see plus 0, 8, 3 and this is 9, 10 and 11. Now plus 500. Now 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 and 7, that is 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, that is 1200. Now we will write 1200 plus 110 plus 10. So what is the total? 0, 0, 112, 213 and 1. So here we are getting the sum of these numbers are 1320. Okay. Now if we will write next number, that is 211. So how can we write in an expanded form? First of all, because this is 211 and after 2 you can see there is 2 numbers, 1 and 1. So that is why we will write 200, 20 will be placed, and what is at the one number after that? Only one number is there. So this is 10, and then at the last number you can see this is at ones place. So what is there? Only 1. If I'll ask you or do the addition of this expanded form, how can you write? How can you add? First of all, these two numbers 534 and 211. In expanded form, because this is our topic, addition using expanded form. So now how can we add this? First of all, we just draw this line. First we will start from the ones place. 4 and 1 is 5 plus, don't forget to add this symbol because we are doing addition. Now here 0, 0, 0. 3 and 1 is 4. Now again addition, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 5 and 2 is 7. Now what we are getting? 740 and 5. Now here what is the answer? We will write the first number of this addition. So what we will write? 7, 4 and 5. What is the sum? Sum of this number is 7, 4 and 5. After write or add in the expanded form what we are getting? 745. It means 4 plus 1 is 5, 3, 1 is 4, now 5 and 2 is 7. Now here you can see we have to write only first number, that is 7, 4 and 5. So it will become the answer of this or sum of this total. So we have already done this is in the expanded form. Now because we have learned how to write or how to add in the expanded form, so first of all we will do few exercises which are based on expanded form. So you just take out your maths book, page number 37. First we will do exercise number 2.5. This is first question, add using expanded form, that we have already done. That is why we are doing. We have not started estimating the sum, but because we have done this topic, that is why we have to complete this exercise first. First question is based on expanded form, add the expanded form, that is why we are going to do this. Okay children, so all of you take out your book, page number 37. Okay, now on the basis of this, what we have learned, on the basis of that this we will do the exercises. Page number 37, exercise number 2.5. Okay children, we are doing only and only first question because this is based on this addition using expanded form. Okay, so let's start children. So now children, we will start add using expanded form. Now here we will do first one, that is A. First, and this is A, 239 and 853. This is our first number that we are going to do. So first of all we will do 239 and 853. We will write in the expanded form first. How can we write 239? So 200 first of all we will write plus, because after that 30, that is why this is at the tens column. So we will write 30 plus 9. Now next number is 853. So 800 we will write, and after that 53. Now 5, because 3 is there, that is why one number is there, that is why we will add only 1 0. Now 3 is there, after 3 no number is there, so we will write only 3. Now let's start adding. 9 and 3 is 10, 11 and 12. So this is 12. Now here you can see 0 0, 5 3, this is 8 plus 0 0, 0 0, 2, 8 and 2 is 10. Now here you can see 1000 plus 80 plus 12. The answer is 1000 plus 80 plus 12. So what we will get? The answer of this addition is 1092. Because after adding this, we are just writing over here 1 0 and then 8. 8 plus 80 plus 12 is 92. So that is why 1092 is the answer. Okay? And now like this you also can do 239 and 853. You just recheck your answer. 9 and 3. 9 and 3 is 10, 11 and 9 in mind and 3 in hands. So 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so 12 is there. We will write carry 1. Now 5, 3, 8, 1 plus 9. Now 8 and 2 is 10. Here you can see that is 1092. So you can check this. You can count accurate number also, and you can write or you can add with the expanded form also. Okay, so write it down. Now we are moving to the number B. Okay. This is first question of exercise. That is why I am telling you again and again. We are not completing exercise today, only we are doing number 1. Question number 1, that is based on expanded form. Addition using expanded form. Now we are moving to the B number. What is that B number? B number 297 and 753. 753 we have to add with using expanded form. Okay children, so let's start adding. Now here you can see 297 first. So this is at 200 or 100 place, so that is why we will write 200, and after that 2 numbers are there, that is why we are adding 2 zeros, plus 9, this is at 10th place, and after that only one number is there. So what we will do, 90 plus this is 7. 7 is at the ones place. Now here you can see 7. So this is the expanded form of this 297, and after that 753. Now again we will do 700. Now here you can see after 7 you can see 2 numbers. So that is why this is, it will become 700. Now we will write 700 plus 50. 50 plus 3. Now let's add children. 7 and 3 is 10. Now here 0, 0, 9 and 5, 9 in mind and 5 in hands, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So what we are getting, that is 14. Now plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 7 and 2 is, what is this 7, 2 is 8 and 9. So 914 and 10, 140 and 10 we are getting. So how can we write this? This we will write, now we will do 900, 140 plus 10. So here you can see 0, 0, 0, 415 and 9, 1, 10. So answer we are getting 1050. So answer we are getting 1050. So this is the answer. So completed children. Now children, we are going to start number C. Number C is 122 and 869. 869. Okay, this is given in your exercise number 2.8. That is, we are doing exercise 2.5. Okay, so just write it down first. 122 and 869. So we just add using expanded form. Okay. Now first of all we will write 122 and then 869. 869 plus, okay, and we have to write in the expanded form first. 122, because this is 101 is at the 100 place, so that is why we will write 1, and after that because 2 numbers are there after 1, so we will write 2 zeros. Okay, and then plus, and then you can see over here 2 is there, 2 at the tens place, and after that one number is there, so that is why we will write 20. Okay, and after that, after tens you can see 2 is there, so this is at ones place, so we will write 2. Now in next line you can see 869. So here you can see 800 at the hundreds column, and after that you can see after 8 you can see 2 numbers are there, 6 and 9. So we will write 800 first because 2 numbers are there, that is why we are putting here 2 zeros. Now after that 6 is there at the 10 place, so 6, and after 6 you can see 9 is there, one number is there, so that is why we will put over here only and only 1 0, and after that what is left? 9 is left, we will write 9. Okay, so now we will add this after adding the expanded form. Okay, you will add this with the expanded form. Now 9 and 2 is 11. Okay, 20 and 60, 0 and 0, it's 0, 6 and 2 is 8. Now again you can see 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, now 8 and 1 is 9. So 980 and 11. So now let's count 900. Okay, now 80 plus 11. What we will do? You can do like this also, or you can do like this also. So you can do this work in the rough. So 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 8, 0, 8 and 1 is 9, and now here 9. So answer is 999. 900, sum of this portion is 991. 991. This is the sum of this question. Now C we have completed. Now we are moving to the D number. So D, this is question number 1, and D number we are doing. So in this 836 and the next one is 457. Okay. Now first we will write 836 and then 457. Okay. So first we will write 836 in expanded form. How can we write? First, as we are doing, 8 is there, so we will write first number 8, and after that we will see how many numbers are there. So here you can see at the first place you are watching over here, this is 8, and after that two numbers are there, so we will write 20 because this is at the 100th place. It is very simple way to write in the expanded form. Okay, now 3 is there, and after that 6 is there, so we will write 3 and 10, this is 30, and what is left? 6 is left, so we will write 6. Now 457. Now we will write in expanded form 400 because this is at the hundreds place, that is why we will write 400. Then this is at the tens place, after that 7 is there, one number is there, so we will write 50, and after that 7 is there. Okay, so let's count. Okay, let's add 6 and 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So answer is 13 plus 00538 plus 8000084 9 10 11 12. So here we are getting 1200 plus 80 plus 13. Now let's count 1280 plus 13. Let's count, children. 3, 0, 0 and 3 is 3. Now 8 and 1 is 9. Now 12 we will write as it is because we don't have any number. So here you can see 1293 is the answer. So answer is, sum is 1293. Okay. So do it, children. First question we have completed. Okay. Now we will do the next one. Now after expanded form, and as we are adding these numbers in expanded form, now we will start a new concept, that is estimating. Estimating the sum. So next topic of our class today is estimating the sum. So first of all, we should know what is the meaning of estimate. Okay. Estimate means कुछ चीज़ हमें guess करना. Guess करना, it means एक आंकड़ा लगाना कि इतने से इतना होगा. So that is called estimating. So the other meaning, or you can say in the other word, we can say estimate means guess करना. Guess means approximately. It's near, suppose if it is written 425, so it is in between that 400 to 430. Okay. So how we will write? Because this is 25, so that is why we just see this. This is 25, so we will write the round figure, or you can say in rounding we will write 430. It is near to 430. So in round figure, if we are going to tell something that this is around this number, so that is called estimating. We are guessing. But before estimating, before understanding the concept of estimating, we should understand rounding. Rounding, as I told you, that if the things is 2681, so in round figure how can we tell? So 8621. Okay. So how can we tell to you? So here 81, 6000, 2000, something like that. I am going to give you one example. If the thing is 2681, 2681. So here what we will say, because this is 2681, so here you can see it is near 2700. 2700. So that is how we can say this is rounding. Rounding the number, we are writing the numbers in the round figure. If it is 2681, so here you can see, first of all you can see this is 2681. Now here it is near to 700. 2700. That is why we have written over here 2681 in 2700. So this is called rounding. Okay. So children, let's start learning about rounding. What is rounding? Before learning this estimate or estimating the sum, we should know what is rounding first. Rounding is the best way. Rounding is the best way to understand or do estimation, to find estimation, to find estimation. Okay, first we will learn how to rounding. how to round the numbers in a proper way. Now, rounding means making a number. Rounding means making a number. Rounding means making a number smaller or larger. Smaller or larger. It is depend on the numbers. If it is more than 5 or more than 5, so we will increase the number. Suppose here I am going to give you one example, 2681 if it is there. So here you can see, because we have to take out the thousands or 100, rounding of the 100. So that is why this is nearest, 8 is nearest 700. 681 is nearest 700. That is why we have written 2700. Okay. So this is called rounding off. It means, rounding means making a number smaller or larger. If it is 5 or more than 5, so we will move to the larger number. If the number is 5 or less than 5, it is less than 5, so we will move to the shorter number. So here, rounding means making a number smaller or larger. Rounding is the best way to find estimation. Before understanding the concept of rounding, we cannot estimate any number properly. So first of all, we should know rounding. Okay, so rounding, as I told you, that rounding is the best way to find estimation. Rounding means making a number smaller or greater, children. So this is the way we can understand estimation or estimating the sum. If we will consider this concept, so we should first understand rounding. Okay, children. When we rounding nearest 10, it means when we rounding any number nearest 10. Okay, so first we will see the ones place first. If it is 26, okay, the number is 26 and we have to find out, first we will see the next number, because we have to find out the tens, rounding tens, nearest tens. Okay, so we have to find out nearest tens. So what we will see? We will see this number, ones place first, because we have to take out, or we are going to write the accurate or rounding this number. That is why we have to see first ones place, then we will do. So here you can see, for this I will draw one line. How can we see this is nearest 20 or 10? So here you can see this is 26. So we have to find out first what is the number. This is 26. Okay, children. So it is in between 20 to 30. So we will write 20 over here and this is 30. So because this is 26, so that is why I am telling you this is in between 20 to 30. So we will just part it with the dots, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This is 25. This is the middle number. Now 26, 27, 28, 29 and this is 30. Now children, here you can see. Okay. Now here you can see this is the middle number. This is 25. Now when we are going to rounding any number, we have to see first, because this is nearer tens, we have to take out the nearest tens. So how can we do? We first watch, or we just first consider the ones place. What is written at ones place? This is 6. Now here, this is 6, so this is more than 5. Here you can see this is 25. Now this is more than 5. So that is why it will be moved to the 30th column. So it is nearest 30. Okay, so this is rounded down, or it is closer to the 30, because this is more than 5. This is 26. Now here is 26. Now this is more than 5, so that is why it is count as a 30 number. So we are going to write in the rounding way. Okay, it is rounded down to the 30. Okay, so this is how we will do. Now here you can see it is closer to the 30, है ना? That is why it is rounded down 30. It is not counted as a 20s, because it is early 20s. After, before 25 you can say this is early 20. So here you can see this is post or past 25. So that is why 26 is considered as a 30th. So it is rounded down as a 30th number. So children, we will be continuing this topic in our next video also. Okay, because it is not very easy to understand. So first of all, we will see rounding, and then after that we will move to the estimating the sum. So first of all, we will just revise this rounding. What is rounding? We are just making this number in the round figure. So if we have to take out the nearest tens, what we will do? This is 26 and we have to take out the nearest tens. So how can we write? We just draw a line, and because this is 26, so it will come between the 20 to 30. Okay, so this is the middle number. What we will see, this is more than 25, and to take out this tens place or nearest tens place, so we have to see first at the ones place. What is the number at the ones place? This is 26. Okay, 26, it is more than 5. So that is why it will be counted or rounded in the 30th column. It is more than 25 or 5. So here you can see it is considered at the 30th. So in round figure or in rounding, we will write 30. So this will be continuing, we will be continuing this concept in our next video also. We will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care.